With the Nissan Energy Charge Network, drivers have access to one of the largest public charging networks in the nation. You can use your My Nissan app to find compatible stations through the Nissan Energy Charge Network. The Nissan Leaf is capable of plug and charge, which allows drivers to simply plug in, and charging will begin without the use of an app or a card reader. You can use your My Nissan app to find compatible stations by filtering to plug and charge in the Nissan Energy Charge Network. To get started, simply set up your My Nissan account, add a payment method to your Nissan Store wallet, and activate the Nissan Energy Charge Network. Once activated, the plug and charge feature will automatically be installed. It may take up to 24 hours for plug and charge installation. Make sure to have your vehicle parked in an area with a clear view of the sky for best results. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.